Hello everyone, my name is Jose and today I'm going to be with you showing you the showing you and giving you some information about the instruimos test for 7th graders, okay? So first remember that you have to click on contenidos académicos fase 4 del grado séptimo. So we're going to click on it, okay? After that, you're going to select, of course, our subject, which is English. So we're going to select English. Perfect. After that, we're going to see the topics, all the topics that you are given to be tested this semester, this last term, this fourth term. So over here, some of these we have studied before, some of these, and we are going to review again. And something that is very important that I'm going to ask you is to read again your notebook, all the information that we have worked this year, okay, since January, because it's very important for you to memorize, to review, to learn again all the topics, all the information about this year, okay? So remember, for example, this topic about the modal verbs, we already studied that topic. Remember, like it was in the second semester. Sorry, in the second term, sorry. So the present perfect is a new topic, but it's actually kind of easy. So I'm going to explain to you in briefly how you're going to answer this question correctly. Then we're going to have some vocabulary about the weather and also some vocabulary about some biodiversity. And of course, as we all know, we're going to have a topic regarding informative test. So that's what we're going to pay attention about. So first, let's go click on this modal verbs test. Okay, we're going to click on evaluación. Okay, and we're going to have just one answer in here. So one question, sorry, just one question. And this question number 37. Click on this one, okay? It says, remember that every single time when we are doing this kind of test, it's very important for you to know what kind of question do we have in here. So, for example, in this one, it says interpretación de imágenes, which means we're going to talk about a name, a picture, and then we're going to see four options, A, B, C, or D, in which we're going to relate the image to the answers, okay? To the answers. We're going to see A, B, C, or D, depending on the picture. So look at it, this picture is not a car, it's not an airplane, it's a submarine, right? So we're going to, it's a submarine, okay? And we're going to see the options, okay? Well, it says under the sea, muy bien, under the sea, bajo el mar, yes, could be right, or a ghost ship. ¿Tiene fantasmas? No, no creo. O down under. Down under. Down under. No, I don't think it is. And clean oceans. No creo que esté limpiando los océanos ese submarine, okay? So what you have to do is to click on the correct answer, so which is going to be the A option. So it's correct. So the correct option is the A one. So let's start with this question. Look at this. Oh, is this a man? This man, what is he doing? Well, first of all, he is about to fall down. Yes, he's about to fall down. His coffee is going to. It's not in his vase. It's in his glass. Look at this. He's going to spill all over the place his coffee. Maybe because he was walking and he tripped. He tripped. Yeah. Se no vio el piso por ahí, una piedrita y he tripped. Okay. We're going to see. What is the recommendation for the remember the modal verbs is the topic that we normally use to give a suggestion, to give an opinion about something, okay? So according to this one, what happened to this? What is the recommendations que le vamos a dar a este man? So in the first one it says, you could watch your step. Deberías saber, podrías, no, podrías mirar mejor tus pasos, ¿ya? O the second one, you should watch your step. Tú deberías cuidar tus pasos, ¿sí? Podría o debería. Could be, right? On the C option, it says, you are watching your step. Tú estás cuidando tus pasos. I don't think it is, right? And then the D option, you are going to watch your step. Nah. You are going to, no, porque no, ya está pasando, okay? So, what is the suggestion? You should watch your step, of course. Deberías cuidarlo, ¿cierto? Porque no podría, porque pues, it's going to go for the future. So, the suggestion is going to be the B option, okay? Let's go check. Oh, it's perfect. It's a suggestion, okay? Very good. Very good. Okay, about the present perfect. Let's speak about the present perfect this time. Oh, we have 3 questions regarding the present perfect. We're going to go on question number 38, which is going to be about the present perfect. Remember, the present perfect is the topic, is the tense that we normally use to talk about experiences. Cada vez que vean present perfect, vamos a hablar de experiencias. Las que sigan. Vamos a hablar de experiencias. Y siempre lo que sea present perfect, inmediatamente experiences, ¿ok? Entonces, en este caso, tenemos esta pregunta. Dice diálogos incompletos. Ok, muy bien. Vamos a completar el diálogo. ¿Sí? El diálogo. Te dice, The boys have visited the city. Los chicos han visitado la ciudad. Entonces tenemos, a ver qué dice, que vamos a seguir la conversación. Sí, el diálogo. Te dice Mary. A option. They have been blinded. Ellos han sido cegados. No, I don't think it is, right? Or the B option, which is they have had dreams. Ellos han tenido sueños. No tiene nada que ver, ¿cierto que no? Or we can have here in the C option, says they have been amazed. Oh, ellos han estado asombrados. Puede ser porque así decían. Si Angie dijo, the boys have visited the city, ellos han visitado las ciudades porque they have been amazed, ok. O en the option, aunque no creo que tenga nada que ver, dice something like this. They have had children. Ellos han tenido niños. Yo no creo que esa sea la respuesta, ¿cierto? So, what is going to be the answer? What do you think? Of course, vamos a completar ese diálogo. Angie dice, the boys have visited the city. And the correct option is the C1. They have been amazed. Okay, we're going to go and check this question. Of course, it is correct. It is correct, okay? So, we're going to have this, okay? Also over here, we're going to speak about another question about the present perfect, okay? So we have here, también diálogos incompletos. Muy bien, vamos a mirar esos diálogos incompletos. Y dice, boss. Dice, what have you done today, Francis? Dice el boss. Y bueno, a ver, Francis, ¿qué le responde? Well, I have been so selfish. Yo he sido muy egoísta. Nah. Por lo que ha hecho Francis hoy. B option, I have described a letter. Yo he descrito una letra, una carta. No parece cierto. Number C option says, I have written a report. Oh, yo he escrito un documento. Puede ser. And the third one is the D one, the option says, I had 3 children in my desk. Entonces cuando completemos el diálogo. Imagínense, el jefe les pregunta y les dice a ustedes, hey, what have you done today, Francis? Bueno, se supone que ustedes son Francis. La opción más correcta sería, para seguir ese diálogo, sería de sí. I have written a report. Yo he escrito un documento, un reporte. Muy bien, let's go click. And it's correct. That's perfect. So then, we're going to go on the next question regarding this one. Question number 41. This question number 41 is about the present perfect too. Es de construcción de párrafos. Recordemos que cuando tenemos construcción de párrafos, vamos a organizar esas palabras, esas opciones en un párrafo completo para que sea muy bien. ¿Listo? Entonces vamos a mirar las respuestas primero, ¿sabes? Entonces tenemos la A. 2, 3, 1, 4. Muy bien. Comencemos. Entonces tú dices, being barbers they have. No creo que comience así, ¿cierto? I'm gonna give you a hint. Siempre, si tenemos preguntas, todas las preguntas, casi todas, si tiene la opción, van a comenzar con una WH question. En este caso tenemos how. Entonces, la única que podría ser así sería the C option. Entonces dice 4, 2, 3, 1. Entonces dice, how long have Bob and Chuck been barbers? For 7. Oh, again. Okay. I'm sorry. This time, okay? So 4, 2, 3, 1. 4. How long have Bob and Chuck been barbers? They have been barbers for 7 years. 7 years, that's a long time. Okay, so as in this one, we're going to have corrected the C option. Okay, so you have to pay attention first. Let's organize one idea that I always do when I have this kind of questions es que siempre voy a las respuestas y lo organizo yo, ¿cierto? Y lo organizo dependiendo de cómo me vaya sonando, ¿listo? Entonces voy y hago todas las preguntas, ¿sí? Todas las respuestas. Entonces, por ejemplo, dice, en la B decía 1, 4, 2, 3. Entonces comienzo, 1, 7 years, that's a long time. How long have Bob and Chuck? No, eso es lo que no, como que no cuadra. Entonces, la única opción correcta era de C option, ¿ok? Okay, we're going to go next. So let's close it down here. Now let's review some vocabulary about the weather. The weather, el clima, solo por ahí lo vimos, ¿no? Pues estudiamos el clima. So we're going to start talking about this. Just one question about the weather. It says about diálogos incompletos. So vamos a escuchar esos diálogos incompletos. Vamos a completar qué dice la otra persona. Entonces dice, Paolo, why are you late? Entonces Susan dice, because it is for fun. Porque es muy divertido. Pero llega tarde. Imagínense responder eso. ¿No? O the option says, because it was raining. ¿Por qué está lloviendo? Puede ser porque estamos hablando del weather. Puede ser una de las preguntas, ¿cierto? En sí, because it was looking. ¿Cómo así que estaba mirando? Eso estaba mirando. What? No. ¿Ok? O sí, the option, because it was a duck. No, I don't think so. So la única que sobre the weather is because it was raining. Let's go and let's go check this time, okay? Check. And it's corrected. Okay? Then we're going to start talking about some biodiversity. This question about diversity, okay? And we have these two questions. Oh my gosh, I think someone solved this question before because it wasn't me. It wasn't me. It wasn't me. So we have here. We have here the question, it says textos incompletos. Muy bien. Vamos a organizarlo. ¿Listo? ¿Cuál es primero? ¿Cuál es segundo? ¿Cuál es tercera? ¿Cuál es cuarta? ¿Cuál es quinta? Sexta, etc. Oh my god, that's a lot. Pero ya está solucionada. Pero vamos a revisarla. Dice. Espacio 1. ¿Dónde es el espacio 1? No encuentro el espacio 1. Se responde esa otra, listo. También textos incompletos, vamos a ubicarnos, listo. Vamos a ubicarnos, se dice así. Vamos a leer el texto, dice, in big cities, there is much conservation by human actions. Oh, not conservation, I don't remember the word. Okay, anyway, vamos a mirar la pregunta, la 1. ¿Cuál era la palabra 1 en ese anterior? In big cities, there is much pollution. Muy bien, there is much pollution. Pollution is contaminación. Muy bien. Vamos por acá. Dice, in big cities, there is much pollution by human action. That is bad for us and for our planet. We can reduce pollution in different ways. Firstly, we could use ¿qué podemos utilizar? Our hands. Las ciudades ya utilizamos ratones, más, no. Los zoológicos, no, nuestras manos. Sería la C. We can use our hands. We can use, for example, the public transport or bike to move into the city. Muy bien. Entonces dice en español. En ciudades grandes hay mucha contaminación por los efectos de las acciones humanas y eso es malo para nosotros y para todo nuestro planeta. Nosotros podemos reducir la contaminación en diferentes maneras. Primero que todo, podríamos utilizar nuestras manos. Podríamos utilizarlo, por ejemplo, en el transporte público o también las bicicletas para movernos dentro de la ciudad. Okay? So we're going to go on the DC option, okay? Porque eran nuestras hands. Oh, it's correct. No. La respuesta correcta era la A. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ah, ya sé por qué. Porque no leímos, porque nos dejamos llevar, porque me dejé llevar de el ejemplo y no de las opciones correctas. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry for this. Era la A, muy bien. Yo sí hice las manos. Me faltó bajar otro poquitico. Sorry for that. ¿Qué sería? Correcto. La respuesta correcta es carless. Vamos a leer lo correcto con la respuesta correcta. In big cities, there is much pollution by human actions that is bad for us and for our planet. We can reduce pollution in different ways. Firstly, we could use our car less. Podríamos utilizar menos nuestros carros. We can use, for example, the public transportation or bike to move into the city. Podríamos utilizar, por ejemplo, el transporte público o las bicicletas para movernos alrededor de la ciudad. Muy bien. Ok. I'm sorry, I failed this one. Oh my gosh. And finally, we're going to have this one about some informative tests. Okay. Okay. So over here it says, vamos a ver the compass. The compass es una brújula. Listo. Esta vez voy a asegurarme de mirar la respuesta. Listo. Te dice. Primero siempre vamos a intentar leer las preguntas para poder después elegir. ¿Ok? Para que nos sea más fácil. Entonces dice, a compass points to the north with the help of una brújula apunta hacia el norte con la ayuda de qué? ¿De qué? Mira, listo. A satellite, que es un satélite, a GPS, a magnet o a dolmen, ¿ok? O a dolmen. Entonces tenemos un satellite que es un satélite, ¿cierto? Tenemos también un GPS que es el GPS que conocemos con Google o con Waze, ¿sí? También tenemos un magnet, ¿ok? Y también tenemos un dolmen. I don't know what a dolmen is, okay? I don't remember what a dolmen is. Okay, I'm going to look for it. Dolmen. Es como una piedra plana. Muy bien. Vamos a leer esa historia sobre el compás. La brújula, ¿listo? A compass points to the north because it has a magnet. Ah, ya tengo la respuesta. Easy, right? A small magnetic needle that spins and responds to the magnetism of our planet. A compass works because the earth is like a giant magnet. Ya tenemos el magnet, muy bien, eso es todo. Magnet is the C option, okay? Let's go on the C. Let's check. Let's check this time. And we're going to have here on the last one. Otra vez, dice. Pero recordemos leer primero siempre la pregunta. Dice, what does the compass needle do? ¿Qué hace esa agujita del compás? Veamos otra vez. A compass points north because it has a magnet. A small magnetic needle that spins in response to the magnetism of our planet. A compass works because the earth is like a giant magnet. ¿Sí? Como un gran imán. Entonces, ¿qué hace desde compass needle? It says, a small magnetic needle that points in response to the magnetism of our planet. It says, hey, ¿qué es lo que hace un compás? Una brújula, la aguja de la brújula, dice, it points to the north. Could be. También, it spins continuously. Eso da vueltas y vueltas y vueltas muy constantemente. No, maybe. En sí, it forms a magnetic field. Eso forma un campo magnético. I don't think so. And the D option it says, it shows the right direction. No siempre. Un compás siempre va a apuntar al norte. Okay? A compass points north because it has a magnet. A small magnetic needle that spins in response to the magnetism of our planet, que está en el norte, of course. Okay? Let's go and check. Let's go and check this time, okay? And correct, of course. And this was our preparation for the Instruimos English test, okay? Have an excellent day, and I expect you can nail it, okay? Not just like me, okay? With the biodiversity topics, okay? Goodbye, dear. Goodbye.